Hey guys, this is Elisa with WTI. I have something to tell you. I love chocolate, but not any chocolate. Let me talk to you about this one here. I found this delicious chocolate by Endangered Species. This is the dark chocolate bar. It's 72% dark chocolate. This is salt and almonds. I love the flavor of this. I love the fact that it has very clean ingredients and it's very high in dark chocolate, which means it's healthier for you. You can literally have one of these square and satisfy your chocolate craving. The texture is very creamy and I love the fact that you can taste those delicious almonds with that hint of sea salt. This chocolate is so delicious. My husband and I love it. Endangered Species has a variety of other delicious chocolates. With that being said, if you're looking for a delicious chocolate that has health benefits, then definitely go for this one. But that's just my point of view.